Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change username in Snapchat. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open Snapchat application, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Snapchat login ID and password. At very first, you need to tap on the profile icon on top left corner. Here you tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Under settings section, you scroll down to the support section. Here you tap on I need help. Here you scroll to little down, you tap on my account and security. Under my account and security, you tap on account information. Here you tap on the username option. Here are details given by Snapchat which says that it is not possible to change Snapchat username within the app. You go back. Here you can see at the feedback section, I spotted a bug. You tap on it. Tap on the profile option. At this page, here you just politely ask the Snapchat team to change your username in this box. As like I want to change my username and write the username that you want to change. Also, at the Add Attachment section, you also need to attach your screenshot of the username of the Snapchat account. Also, you can choose topic. Once you are all done, you tap on the Submit on bottom of the screen. Soon you will get an email from the Snapchat. They might ask you for some ID to prove that it is your account and it is you who want to change this username. This will help you change username in Snapchat. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change username in Snapchat. Thank you.